Hi everyone, I'm excited to launch a new video series where we will be building a book app together. Here's what we will cover: how to implement a splash screen, how to create a login and sign up page with animation, how to add dark and light mode support using React navigation. Next, we will set up bottom tab navigation, implement the authentication flow, and integrate Redux-Tool-Kit. Then we will build a home page with a beautiful UI. Then we will create a detail page. Design a reading page with a custom progress bar and swipe to delete functionality. Then we will create a settings screen. Add theme changing functionality to update the app's theme. Finally, we will persist user data in Redux using Redux Persist, so the app data is retained for the next session. So stay tuned for upcoming videos, and thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe to the channel and hit the bell icon to never miss any future updates. I'll see you in next one. Till then, take care and bye bye.